how do we optimize? With our bottom of funnel stuff, we look at things like click-through rate, we look at things like how many people fill out a form and things like that, which is great. But with your awareness stuff, it becomes a little bit different.
Well, how do we go about putting different ads in front of different people? Surely we need different ads to go in front of people that are completely cold, never heard anything about our business before, versus ones that are already pretty warm, perhaps visited our website, perhaps on our email list, and are ready to convert. What Meta's now doing and able to do in amongst the ads that you've got within one ad set, so this could be like one sales campaign, let's say you've got 6 different ads in one ad set, Meta can work out, okay, this one's a bit more of a top of funnel ad, we'll put that in front of people first, and then people who've engaged with that or seen that will then put this other ad that's more of a bottom funnel ad in front of them and get them to convert. This can be tricky for optimization though, because you can look at your ads and think, why is Meta spending so much money on this ad when its return on ad spend isn't very good? It's because it's using that one more as a top of funnel ad, and maybe another one that's getting much better results from a return on ad spend standpoint is more of a bottom funnel ad, but really they're working in conjunction with each other. From an optimization standpoint, the latest advice now is don't turn something off, like an ad off, unless Meta has stopped spending money on it. So in that scenario I just gave, where one ad has a much worse ROAS, but Meta continues to spend, Meta might be using that as a top of funnel ad, and then likewise using other ads as a bottom of funnel ad. What will happen if you just turn off the top of funnel ad, because you're thinking, Meta's spending money on this, I'm not getting good results, I just want them to spend all the money on this ad, I'll get better results. You can do that, and then you find that that other ad, all of a sudden the results get much worse, you haven't got that other ad acting as a top of funnel ad, they're all just going to the one that maybe is a little bit too far down the funnel, maybe is a bit more salesy or whatever. So turn things off, not if they have a worse return on ad spend when it comes to ads in an ad set, but if Meta isn't spending on it. Because if Meta's not spending on it, they've basically worked out there's no point, you have better alternatives. And then that's when we would introduce new ads to compete against our existing ones, see if Meta spends money on it, see how much they spend on it, do they stop spending, and that's a new updated optimization process. Now, in order for this process to work as well as it possibly can, Meta really wants us to add in creative diversity, because you can't do the process I've just described. Meta can't do that if you've got one ad or one ad with a few variations that are all very similar. So they want us to create ads that are in different formats. They want us to create ads that are speaking potentially to different people within our audience, different parts of the sales funnel.